All right, everybody, it is Christmas at ClickX. This is like the fourth thing that we're unboxing today, which is really exciting. What do I got in front of me? I have the Elgato Key Light. I sit in a room with basically sunlight coming in through the window with these ginormous windows. But certain times of the day, it gets really dark. I asked my team again, I'm like, guys, what should I get? How do I fix it? And they said, why don't you get the Elgato Key Light? You just turn this on, turn off the room light, which is really bad. What you don't want is multiple lights with different temperatures. Again, guys, I'm getting better at this by doing it and failing. I've never knew anything about lights. I never knew anything about brightness. I never knew anything about 2800 lumens or anything like that. I do this long enough. I talk to my people and they teach me everything. So start asking your folks for help when you need it. This is what you're going to get when you buy the Elgato Key Light on Amazon. You're going to get obviously a ginormous tape that says Amazon Prime on it. And if you don't have Amazon Prime, I highly recommend it. I'll put a link in my bio. No, I'm kidding. I'm not going to put a link in the bio. This is what you get, okay, ladies and gentlemen? So what I'm gonna do for you right now is I'm actually gonna open this up, just see what's inside. I'm not gonna turn this light on because there's something interesting about this light is that this light is gonna be part of my automation at my desk. If you didn't know, Elgato makes a really cool product, which every single one of you are going to get because you're listening to me or watching this. You're gonna get what I call the Elgato Stream Deck. What that is, it's a little shortcut keyboard thing that's on your desk. You could program it to do certain things on your Zoom call. You could program it to do something on your Ecamm if you're using Ecamm to create content. If you don't know what Ecamm is, it's the greatest product ever made for a creator to be able to create amazing things, mix audios, videos, everything together. You can program all these things. And one of the things that you can program is to turn on this light right from your Stream Deck. This is what you get when you open this bad boy. It's just a cardboard. That's it. It's that easy. That's all you paid for. And you get a little brochure. The cool thing about this is I've gotten this to be a desk mount. So everything on my desk stays on my desk. I don't have a tripod for this light. I don't want a tripod because if you know how much space a tripod takes, you won't want any tripods around you because the average tripod takes, I don't know, 2 by 2, like 2 feet by 2 feet of space. If you put two of them, two sides of your laptop or whatever you do, that's a lot of space. Now you can't even put a desk against the wall or by the window, which is how I have it set up, and I'm in a very small room. I'm crammed like I live in France. Again, this bad boy will help me put this on my table, and then it will be connected right here at the top. It has a little ball joint. I'm just gonna tighten this ball joint and connect this light on top, and then guess what? Connect it to Wi-Fi, and I'll be able to literally get this bad boy started. So I'm gonna open this box first, just so I can show you guys what's in here. This is the plug. They obviously are so smart. They gave me all the international connections. And the thing about this international connection is that we can't assume everybody's in one country, you guys. It's a big world we live in. Now, this is the actual light. They do have a Key Light Air. If you're looking for something small, you're like, Solomon, it's as big as you might want to get the Key Light Air, which is a tinier version. I didn't go for that. I was just trying to fix all my light problems. And because this can be turned on via Wi-Fi. This can be turned on your desktop. There's a desktop app and it can be turned on from a Stream Deck. I'm like, I'm gonna get me a couple more of this because this is gonna be cool. We'll put one in our garage so we, push the button, right, Alex? Push the button. Wow, we got lights. One of the things that Jesus said, so powerful, is let there be light. And that's what happened. We got Elgato Light. We said it, and 2 days later, Amazon Prime delivered it, and we're about to plug this thing in. This is my 14th item we're unboxing today, so we're all exhausted. If you have questions about how well this light did for us or whether or not I would buy this again, put it in the comment section, guys. Let me tell you why lights are important. Let me tell you, we spend so much money on cameras, lights, lenses, is because when you're creating content, you're gonna fight a lot to get your content seen by people. When they finally get a chance to get a glimpse of you, yes, people do care about content more than production. If it's poorly made and it has terrible lighting and the audio is just bad, you lost your chance of them actually caring about your message, which is the most important part. So when you get to a place in your life where you can afford good quality camera, good quality mic, I highly recommend it. if you're not in a place where you can start buying things, because guess what? These things do add up really, really fast. What I would recommend for you is to go start a marketing agency, to start a video agency, to start a photography business, to start anything where you're helping people get these things they need it for your production and make them pay for it for you. That's a smart move. I promise you've never watched a video where they told you to do that. If you did that, you'll have the most expensive camera you could ever get because your customer financed it. You'll have the best lens you could ever need because your customers and projects financed it. And you'll have the best lights, the best equipment, the best mic, because guess what? Your customers financed it. You did. My recommendation is if you're in a place in your life, you're like, dude, I need to get lights. I got to get camera. I got to get iPhone. I got to get this. I can't afford it. I want you to be an entrepreneur. Figure out how to make your customers finance your equipment because you're going to need it for your project. And that's how we do it. That's how I teach my agency partners to do it. Go figure out what you need. And you want to buy an Apple laptop. You say, well, guess what? That website is going to cost roughly about $7,500, which is $5,000 for me and $2,500 for Tim Cook. And they say, sure. There you go. That's how you do it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.